Matte gel medium. Why would you use it? How do you use it? Where would you use it? So the gel mediums, the gloss, the matte and the super heavy gel medium are all pretty clear mediums, will dry relatively clear. The matte medium not completely clear because it's got matting agent in it, but they'll dry pretty clear. Versus the impasto medium, for instance. The impasto medium will dry really quite translucent. You won't be able to see through it. It's just purely for building texture. But if you want to glaze, now I say glaze, but quite often when we talk about glazing, we think of a thin film of colour. That's not what we're looking at here. What we want is a thick, textured gel finish, but we might want a matte version of it, and that's the one we're talking about, the MM30 gel medium matte finish. So how do we actually use it? All of the gel mediums you would generally mix paint in with. Going back to the impasto medium, you can paint over the top of that. You can paint over the top of the gel mediums as well, but you lose the effect. The idea is to have the paint mixed in with it. So if you want texture, that real relief, that impasto effect, what you want to do is use Matisse structure, one of the thicker types of paint, because it's about the same sort of thickness, so it's going to keep that texture there. You can use only 10% of the colour if you like. Obviously that'll weaken it down, or more to the point, you're extending that colour right out. If you're to mix something like the fluids or the Matisse flow in with the matte gel medium or any of the gel mediums, that'll actually give some body, that'll make them thicker, or conversely you can look at it that it'll thin the gel medium down. Kind of makes sense that you'll end up with a thinner resultant mix. And how do you apply it? As we've mentioned, you tend to be using it to glaze, and you can continue to overglaze and do a whole lot of different colours on top of each other, and you can use anything you like, brushes, palette knives. You know, that's the good thing about texture. You can use anything. You can add water to the medium, but why would you? You want to try and thicken the whole thing up rather than thinning it down, which is what water will do, but it's a possibility. Moreover, water is what you're going to wash everything up in. So the quick takeaway is that impasto medium or the high build medium are mediums that you add paint to just to kind of colour them, or better off paint over the top of them. Whereas the gel medium, the matte gel medium, the super heavy gel medium are mediums that you're going to add colour to impart the colour into the medium and use them as a glaze. Just be aware though that the thicker you put the gel medium on and the super heavy gel medium, the longer they will take to dry. It could be, I mean, if you're putting it on a few millimetres, we could be talking days or even weeks in a humid climate for them to become completely clear. And with the matte gel medium, it will remain slightly hazy because that's the matting agent in the gel medium. So it will remain slightly hazy if you put it on neat and you don't have any other colour with it. It will not go completely clear. So if you're looking at adding some textural relief and glazing to your work without the shine, why not try gel medium matte finish? And don't forget to subscribe.